iPhone tracking you. Disable these settings immediately. Your iPhone might expose every activities. In this video, I'll guide you on how to stop iPhone from tracking your location, from tracking what you have been doing using the device. So sit back, watch this video to the end. Firstly, go and tap on settings button. Or tap on settings, then scroll up to the button that called privacy and security. Tap on it. Once tap on that, the first thing you have to do is to take a look at what you see on the screen: location services and tracking. First, tap on the tracking. If you tap on tracking, you see this here. You have access to the every app you've installed on your device. Some of these apps track your location, give your location to the company or to the apps producer, thereby exposing what you have been doing on this device. So all I have to do is to locate each of these devices and tap on it to decide either to use your location or not to use your location. Then to completely stop every of the apps you have here from using your location, tap on the one at the front that says allow apps to request and track. Tap on it, then tap on allow or ask app to stop tracking. So by doing this, every apps you have here will stop tracking your location except the one you really want to use, so that when you use that, you are able to use the location. That is the first thing. Then the next one is to go back one more page and tap on this button that says service location or location services. Tap on it. Once tap on this button, the first thing you will see is location services, and here we have some apps that have access to our location. The reason you may likely turn off location services is such as Find My. If you enable Find My and maybe you misplace your iPhone within your range, you have any access to any iPhone again, then you can use that to locate your missing or misplaced iPhone. So that is why I turn on this and use Find My in case I misplace my iPhone within my range. Then I also turn it on when I use my map, so that it improves my map. I mean the Google Map and the iPhone maps on my device. So others, you can see that others are apps here is never. So how do you do that? Just tap on each of these app you want to use. For example, Chrome, then you have option like never, ask next time, or when I share. So it has to do with you. You can select any of these, but I tap on never, so I don't want Google Chrome to start tracking my location. That is what you need to do, guys, to be sure that your location is highly secure. The other thing you need to take a look at is still under the settings. Tap on it, then tap on location services. Under location services, scroll down to the base of this page where you see system services. Tap on it. Once tap on system services, everything here track your location. Yes, this track your location, and it is not a good idea for this to track your location, but there are some that is very necessary, so that you'll be able to have more information about something like emergency call, XOS. You need to enable that. Device management, this has to do with you, but Find My phone, I have to enable it because I might somehow misplace my iPhone. I will use this one to find my iPhone. Then in-apps web browsing, I don't want you to track my location. I will do that to turn it off. Then motion, collaboration and distance, then I will turn this off. Then share my location, then I will turn this off. Suggestion and shares, I will also turn this off. So these activities share your location. Then if you move to the base where you see product improvements, make sure that the 4 options here are turned off. These are sharing your location. Then tap back. One more thing that is something that you need to turn off here is what is called Apple advertising. Then tap on it. Or tap on Apple advertising, make sure that this button is turned off. Personalized ads, tap on it to turn it off. It means you will not be able to receive some ads from Apple. Not you are not going to receive ads, no, but there are some ads that are not going to come to your device where you use it. So these are the simple things you need to know about how iPhone track you and what you can do to disable them. So if you enjoy what I've explained, if you not subscribe, please subscribe, and don't forget to like and share so that we benefit from it.